Welcome to Session 44 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today, we study sinusoidal transformations. The focus is to model shifted and stretched sinusoidal behavior using amplitude, period, midline, and phase shift. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Find amplitude and midline from maximum and minimum. 2. Use period to solve for b. 3. Choose sine or cosine from the starting behavior. A sinusoidal model is useful when a quantity repeats in a smooth cycle. The equation tells the center line, the size of the oscillation, the time for one full cycle, and any horizontal shift. Suppose a function has maximum 18, minimum 6, period 12, and starts at the midline increasing when x equals 0. The midline is 12 and the amplitude is 6. Since the curve starts at the midline increasing, use sine. The period equation is 2 pi over b equals 12, so b equals pi over 6. A model is y equals 6 sine of pi over 6 times x plus 12. If the same graph starts at a maximum when x equals 0, cosine is simpler. Use y equals 6 cosine of pi over 6 times x plus 12. Sine and cosine can describe the same physical cycle, but the cleaner choice depends on where the cycle begins. Your turn. A sinusoid has max 10 and min 2. What is its amplitude? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Amplitude is half the distance from maximum to minimum. The midline is the average of maximum and minimum. Period determines the b value. Starting behavior helps choose sine or cosine. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.